ADS Biotec is proud to offer optimized organoid culture media to promote organoid growth and consistency. Spend less time worrying about producing and verifying lab-made media and see how our media can augment your experiments. Organoid media preparation often feels more like art than science. Variability, time-consuming prep, and questions about reproducibility plague academia. These are problems ADS Biotec has set out to solve by developing a suite of organoid culture media designed for consistency, ease of use, and flexibility. GMP batch manufacturing means only the highest quality products are released for use, and products are consistent lot to lot. ADS Biotec offers human and murine colon and oviduct media, as well as a murine liver kit. Murine oviduct medium has been tested alongside a commercially available medium. Proliferation of the organoids was measured by counting visible organoids using bright field microscopy. Organoid counts at 48 and 96 hours of media exposure demonstrates that organoids cultured in avatar medium grew better than the other medium and resulted in approximately threefold more organoids after 96 hours. Partnering with an academic lab at a prominent comprehensive cancer center, ADS Biotec's human oviduct medium kit was compared to lab-made medium. Organoids from 2 patient samples were used and, in both cases, the avatar medium promoted survival and growth over the lab-made medium. One of the patient samples, which had no viable organoids following the 2-week culture in the lab-made medium, demonstrated surviving organoids in the avatar medium. The Avatar Murine colon medium kit demonstrated a clear growth advantage compared to a competitor kit. At 96 hours, the number of organoids in the avatar medium was approximately 4 times higher than when cultured in a competitor medium. Internal testing of the colon organoid medium demonstrated an approximately 3-fold increase in total organoid numbers after 96 hours when cultured in avatar medium compared to a commercially available medium. To further evaluate the human colon medium kit, ADS Biotec partnered with the Pruneri lab of the National Tumor Institute in Milan, conducting research using colon organoids as models. The lab had spent significant time and effort to design their own recipe of organoid culture medium. Their investigation examined 3 stages of colorectal cancer, the first of which was polyposis. Initially, organoids cultured with the lab-made medium grew more rapidly than the avatar medium. However, by week 4, the total number of organoids in the avatar medium was about double the number in the lab medium, and that increased to approximately 3-fold by week 5. The viability appeared consistent between weeks and culture conditions, with a slight drop in the avatar culture at week 5. Organoids derived from colorectal cancer and cultured in avatar medium demonstrated elevated growth at 4 and 5 weeks compared to the lab-made medium. While organoid viability in the avatar medium was less compared to the lab medium at each time point, it improved to comparable levels as the lab medium by 4 weeks. Analysis of organoids derived from colorectal cancer that had metastasized to the peritoneum demonstrated that the avatar medium promoted organoid growth as early as 1 week and resulted in a substantially higher number of organoids as cultures continued. Organoid viability was also higher in the avatar medium at 4 and 5 weeks of culture. To download the entirety of our white paper and to see the histological comparison of the organoids cultured in the 2 media, scan our QR code. Organoids cultured in ADS Biotec's murine liver medium demonstrated rapid growth over 96 hours. At 96 hours, there were approximately 2-fold more organoids visible in the avatar medium compared to the competitor medium. ADS Biotec is collaborating with labs worldwide. Try a free kit, compare against your current media, and help us build the future of organoid culture. Send us any questions or reach out to learn more about the Avatar product line. Request your free trial kit at info@adsbiotech.com or contact your local sales rep. Experience the consistency and growth advantage of ADS Biotec organoid media.